Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make super easy and delicious restaurant style fajitas. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of chicken breast, 2 bell peppers, 1 onion, 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice, 3 tablespoons of oil, a few splashes of Maggi jugo, 1 minced scarlet clove, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 3/4 of a cup of chicken broth, and all of our spices that will be listed in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by making our marinade for our chicken. So to the bowl, add the minced garlic, oil, lime juice, along with the brown sugar and all of our spices. Going to mix it all together. In here, you're able to taste it and see if you need to adjust any of the spices. Once we have that, now we can add our chicken and make sure to get it nice and coated. Once we have it, we're just going to cover it and allow it to marinate for a few minutes. Alright, so after about 20 minutes, we can now get ready to cook our fajitas. But first, we're going to be dissolving our cornstarch into our chicken broth. And along with that, we're going to be adding our jugo Maggi. I like to add about 7 splash. Okay. Now just mix it and set it to the side. All right, now here we're going to set our pan over medium-high heat. I'm going to be adding a little bit of oil and just allow it to heat up. Once I get nice and hot, we're going to add our bell peppers and onion. We're going to saute it for 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, our vegetables should have softened. So now we're just going to remove them from the pan. Okay, so once we remove the vegetables, we're going to begin to cook our chicken. And I'm going to be doing it in batches. So just layer it in a single layer and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. Okay, so once this batch of chicken has cooked, we're going to remove it. Okay, now add the rest of the chicken. And repeat the same steps. Okay, once we have cooked all of our chicken, now we're going to bring it all together. So add the rest of the chicken back to the pan, along with the vegetables. And here we're going to be adding our chicken broth. Now make sure to mix it and allow everything to come together. Alrighty, and once everything is nice and mixed, we have our delicious fajitas, just like that. So now we can turn it off and get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that fajitas is one of the dishes that we have in my house at least once a week. My kids love it, so hope you give it a try and enjoy it as much as we do. So I am so ready, let me tell you. These are so seriously super easy to make. They're so flavorful. They're just perfect. So cheers and enjoy. Everything is just so good. The best for sure. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious restaurant style fajitas. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.